Hey, in today's video, I'll show you how to get Microsoft Rewards points for free on both iOS and Android. No matter where you're located, this method will allow you to rack up Microsoft Rewards points without spending a single cent. I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to do it, and the best part, it's completely free and works instantly. To show you it's legit, I'm opening the app now, and you can see it says, add points to your account for free. This is all possible with the method I'm about to share. Now that I've shown you that the app works, I'll walk you through how to download it onto your iOS or Android device quickly and easily. But before that, if you're using an iOS device, there are a few settings changes we need to make before you can download it. For Android users, no changes are necessary. Only iOS requires these adjustments. First, go into your battery settings and make sure low power mode is turned off. This step is crucial, as leaving it on can interfere with the installation. Once the app is installed, you can revert your settings back to normal, so no worries, it's just for the installation. Next, go into your general settings, find the background app refresh option, and ensure it's turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. It cannot be off, or it could mess up the installation. The process is straightforward from here. On your iOS or Android device, go to rizbuild.com. This site offers a variety of tweaked apps and games that you can download for free without the need for a jailbreak or any complicated procedures. Just go to the site's search bar, type in Microsoft Rewards, tap the green install button, and wait for it to load to 100%. If you're on iOS, once it reaches 100%, a prompt will appear asking if you want to download the configuration profile. Just tap Allow, and then go into your settings to find it. For Android users, the installation process is slightly different, and I'll explain that after the iOS instructions. In your iPhone settings, you should see a pop-up saying Profile Downloaded. Click on it and allow it to install. The app will then appear on your home screen as the full app. Before you can start using the app, you'll need to install 3 plugin files. You'll see a pop-up for this. These plugins are necessary for the app to function fully. Simply tap on each plugin, follow the instructions, and do exactly as it says. Once you've completed one, go back and do the remaining 2 to complete all 3. Some tasks are straightforward, like running an app for 30 seconds, while others may require completing a game level. Just make sure to follow the instructions carefully. If you see fewer than 3 plugins, just complete the ones available. The system will recognize this and still grant you access to the app, so don't worry. If your plugin files look different from mine, that's fine too. The options may vary depending on your location. Once you've completed the tasks for all 3 plugins, the app will fully load. Now you've got free Microsoft Rewards points. For Android users, instead of downloading an iOS profile, you'll automatically be taken to the final step page, and then the app will appear on your home screen. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.